In this video, we are going to see that how we can perform installation of Node.js in Windows operating system. So in order to do that, first we need to download the setup. So just go to the browser and search for Node.js download. So here is the official website of Node.js, as you can see in this link. So I'll just click on it. Alright, so this is the official web page of Node.js. From here you can download the setup for any platform, either for Windows, Mac OS or for Linux as well. Since we are specifically discussing it for Windows, so that is why I'll prefer the MSI file. So here first you need to check the machine configuration of yours, because it totally depends on which kind of machine configuration you have. Since I have 64-bit, so I'll select that one. So just click on the 64-bit. Okay, so here the prompt is given to save the file. So just click on that save file. It will take some time to download that file, and after this downloading operation gets completed, you can install Node.js within your machine. So here is the file which I have downloaded, and it is having the latest version of Node.js. So now just click on this file, executable file. Okay, it is getting open now, preparing to install. Now click on next and accept the license agreement over here. So just check it and click next. Now this is the location where Node.js is going to be installed in your system. Alright, you can change it as per your choice, and if you are not interested to change the location, you want to install it in C drive only, so there is no need to do any sort of changes. Just click on next now, and here there are some options given. Okay, so just see that here Node.js will get installed along with npm as well. Okay, so when you will install Node.js, at that time automatically npm, that is Node Package Manager, will also get installed. So we'll just keep it as it is and click on next. Again click on next and click on install. Now the installation has begun. It is going to extract all the necessary files which are used for the installation. So after the successful installation, just click on finish. Since the Node.js has been successfully installed in machine, so click over here. Alright, now let's check out that whether this installation is successful or not. So we'll do one thing, we'll just open the command prompt now. Within this command prompt, we have to check the version, so that if it is showing directly the installed version of Node.js, so after executing this command, it is showing the installed version of your Node.js, right? So it means what? That there is no need to explicitly specify the path. It has automatically set the path variable as well. In case if it would have shown the error that this command is not found or something like that, so in that context, what you must have to do is you have to explicitly set the environment variables for Node.js. Then only it would have executed this command successfully. Since during the installation, the option was automatically selected to set the path variables, so that is why there is no need to set the path variable again. Now, as we have told that npm will also get installed along with Node.js, so let's check the version of npm as well. So for that also, just type the command npm space -v. It is going to show you the version of your npm installed along with Node.js. So here both the things are installed successfully. Now I hope you have got how to perform installation of Node.js on Windows. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for further videos as well. Thank you.